Satori is a DataSecOps platform that helps data-driven companies streamline access to data by automatic security, privacy, and compliance controls. In this short video, I'd like to show you how you can use Satori to speed up implementation of complex security and privacy controls without coding by decoupling them from your data model. Satori is a transparent network-level proxy between your users and the data they're consuming, not a query engine or a database that abstracts the data assets or forces users to migrate their queries to a different SQL dialect or use a different set of tables. Satori enforces policies on existing data and can be rolled out on a production environment gradually with zero migration or downtime. Let's get started by registering a Snowflake account with Satori. By providing the Snowflake account URL to Satori, Satori generates a new unique URL for the account which can be used as a drop-in replacement in any client, including Snowflake Classic UI, Snowsite, SnowSQL, BI tools, and applications. The same is true for other data platforms as well. The first step in controlling access to data is defining a dataset, which is a collection of database objects. Each dataset has stewards, who will be responsible for managing the day-to-day access to the dataset. Dataset stewards do not need administrative access to Snowflake because they control access by creating access rules and policies in the Satori Management Console. We haven't yet defined any access rules on our dataset, and as you can see from the error message, the user is not able to query it yet. However, users can request access to the dataset by following the provided URL. Although this looks like a native Snowflake error message, under the hood, Satori intercepted the query, realized the user doesn't have permissions to query the dataset, and returned an error back to the client. Users fill out this form to request access to datasets, which is sent to the dataset stewards for review. Dataset stewards can approve, reject, or modify the request to align with the policy set by the data owner. Satori accelerates the process to get access to data, managing the entire lifecycle of the access, including setting an expiration period, automatically revoking the access if unused, and enforcing dynamic masking for users who are not authorized to access sensitive data. Every change in permissions is audited in the Access History tab to address compliance needs. Once the access is approved, the user can query the data immediately. Satori provides fine-grained masking policies that can be configured by the data steward using the GUI without the need to write any scripts or code. These policies are enforced dynamically at query runtime. Satori also delivers compliance reports to track the access to sensitive data. Satori helps organizations deliver data to users faster and enables data owners to grant access to data without compromising on security or relying on IT for day-to-day operations. To schedule a demo or a free trial, visit us at satoricyber.com.